Have you ever imagined a supplement capable of transforming your body, mind, and spirit? Enki Elixir promises exactly that. But does it really work? Or is it just another trend? Today, as an expert in well-being and holistic products, I will reveal everything you need to know about this powerful elixir. Stay until the end because I have an important alert for you. Enki Elixir is a premium supplement created to nourish the body, mind, and soul. Inspired by ancient holistic traditions, it combines carefully selected natural ingredients to elevate your energy, reduce stress, and unlock your true spiritual potential. And what are the ingredients that make up Enki Elixir? It contains Eleuthero root, which improves mental clarity and reduces stress. It has lady's mantle herb, which detoxifies the body and strengthens the immune system. It has sacred licorice root, which soothes inflammation and promotes well-being. It has pure peppermint oil, which boosts energy and clears negative patterns. And it also contains 24,000 gold ormus, which is believed to amplify consciousness, repair DNA, and activate the pineal gland. And how does Enki Elixir work? The synergy between these ingredients creates a powerful formula that provides various benefits. Among them, we can highlight more energy, sustained without the dreaded peaks and crashes, focus and mental clarity to enhance your cognitive ability and productivity, strengthened immune system for extra protection for your body, stress reduction, creating a sense of calm and well-being, emotional and spiritual balance, which helps unlock your pineal gland and elevate your connection with the universe. Now that you know all the benefits of Enki Elixir, you may be wondering, where can I buy it safely? Attention! This product is sold only on the official website. To avoid scams and ensure an authentic product, click the link in the description and place your order safely. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to receive more exclusive well-being tips. See you in the next video.